Greetings, fellow traders. Today, I'm thrilled to share a precision trading signal with you. In this video, we'll delve into a meticulously selected trading pair, the current time, and the chart on pocket option. Then, after precisely 1450 to 1530 hours, we'll unveil the actual result of our predicted reversal point. But remember, as I always emphasize, responsible risk management is paramount. This reversal zone is exceptionally precise, so seize this opportunity with confidence and professionalism. Welcome, traders. It's current time, and I'm here on the Pocket Option platform. Today, I've chosen to trade the AUD. Keep your eyes on this chart because we're about to explore an exceptional trading signal. As you can see, this chart illustrates the present state of the AUD and its current time. We're about to make a real-time prediction that will unfold over the next 1450 to 1530 hours. Now, let's analyze this chart. Based on meticulous analysis, I confidently predict a reversal at anticipated reversal point within the next 1450 to 1530 hours. This presents a golden opportunity, and I'm genuinely excited to witness it in action. This precision zone prediction was impeccably accurate, underscoring the potential for lucrative trades. However, please bear in mind that trading involves inherent risks. Hence, I implore you to manage your risk with the utmost professionalism. Set your stop loss and take profit levels diligently to capitalize on these prime opportunities. Thank you for engaging with this precision signal alert. I extend my best wishes for successful and profitable trading ahead. Stay tuned for further